forward to come to La MaMa with this play, which is really interesting, I think, and fits perfectly in New York in these days.
I'm so proud to be able to come to La MaMa with this unfinished opera. It's a world premiere, even though we have played it since 2009. It's the first time in New York, and I hope that you will like it.
So the music for The Mountain Bird is composed mainly by Filip Sande, and it's kind of contemporary, but composed also for Hardanger fiddle, which is a Norwegian traditional, actually, or national instrument. And that's a bit uncommon to have contemporary music on the Hardanger. And in addition to that music, there's also traditional tunes, traditional Norwegian tunes in the play. So it has a big range, and it also has Langeleik, the other musician, is playing another traditional instrument from Norway.
I was asked by Lars to do the music to this unfinished opera by Henrik Ibsen, and first I was very overwhelmed and very honored by this commission, because he's a very famous author, and no other composer have done any music to this piece. So. Jeg knakk ned til bygden, ned, ja, ned. Hauga folkets utekstur, åpner sauer nattestid.
It's about people who are, I would say, pushed into the conform thing, and about being a natural and nature person, and to be true to yourself instead of being in the crowd and follow the bureaucracy and the little frames, and about people who are sticking together because they're afraid of the unknown, instead of just finding out what the unknown is and then make friends with it so they know what it is. Yeah.
It's every performance or every play we do is a long journey, because every movement we do is like, perhaps I have like this in the show, this little finger, and it's like perhaps 2-3 days of physical work just to come to this. That's how long it takes to find every movement you have to do, so it's a very hard work.
I play Fjellfuglen. She's called Alfhild, and I'm looking very much forward to play in New York. I've never worked in New York, and I've never met an audience in New York. It will be exciting. And well, I'm singing, and playing, and I have this little instrument here. It's also a national instrument from Norway called munnharpe. Yes.
This type of work is very interesting because you always have the director watching you, and the way we work makes you be not that aware of yourself, so you work as a being somehow. You don't have to worry about anything else than what you do. So
So the Theater of Cruelty is a good style of Artaud, exploring different kind of ways to communicate with the audience, and through the usage of hieroglyphs, the usage of sounds and rhythms to try to convey their message, not through the traditional realistic psychological theater that tells you what to think or what to feel.
Ja, som låt av lur och klockor. Ja, som låt av lur och klockor.
To be in the mountain bird is kind of hypnotic experience for me as an actor, as well as for the public, I guess. These long stretches of meditative movements, I find a special atmosphere for me as an actor as well. I really love this mix of Ibsen, the poetry of the language, the politics of the lyrics, the music, the national romantic music, Norwegian, old-fashioned, but still with a little twist, makes it a little more edgy and modern, disharmonic sometimes. And this makes it more dangerous and unpredictable in a way, also in the music. So I like that, and the dance, the Norwegian folk dances. It's really colorful, and of course my colleagues, I really love to play with them. And we have been together with this play since 2009, and now if we can make it there, we can make it anywhere.